Welcome to the new era of video creation with Baozi 8. Manus recently partnered with Alibaba's Qwen AI team, while DeepSeek is gaining traction as a top open-source AI model. Both highlight China's growing dominance in AI innovation. China is making big moves in AI with two major players, Manus AI and DeepSeek AI. Here's the content. DeepSeek and Manus are two advanced AI models designed for distinct purposes. DeepSeek is an open-source mixture of experts, MOE, large language model that prioritizes scalability and efficiency. Manus, on the other hand, is built as an autonomous AI agent, capable of self-directed task execution. These models are among the newest additions to the AI landscape, reflecting the global shift toward highly capable, specialized AI systems. The significance of these models lies in their technological advancements. DeepSeek's MOE structure allows it to activate only a fraction of its parameters per query, making it computationally efficient while maintaining high accuracy. Manus, in contrast, is designed to be an independent decision maker, handling complex, multi-step workflows. This lecture will compare DeepSeek and Manus across key factors, including architecture, training methodologies, efficiency, applications, and limitations. By the end, you should have a comprehensive understanding of their differences and practical applications, helping you evaluate which model fits different business and research needs. DeepSeek follows a mixture of experts as MOE model, where different expert subnetworks are activated based on the input type. This method reduces computation load while keeping the model's responses diverse and high quality. MOE-based architectures are particularly beneficial for scaling up large AI models without exponential increases in computational cost. Manus is not just a text model, it is an autonomous agent designed to execute complex workflows without human intervention. Unlike traditional LLMs, which primarily generate text, Manus can perform multi-step decision-making, analyze outcomes, and self-correct its actions. Both architectures are scalable, but DeepSeek's strength lies in adaptive text processing, while Manus excels at AI-driven automation. These foundational differences make them suitable for different types of AI applications, as we will see in later slides. DeepSeek is trained on an 8.1 trillion token dataset, covering a mix of Chinese and English data. This extensive pre-training makes it a general-purpose AI capable of answering diverse queries, summarizing documents, and generating content with high fluency. However, like any LLM, it inherits biases from its training data, which researchers continuously work to mitigate. Manus, in contrast, prioritizes task-specific training. Its training is likely augmented with reinforcement learning, allowing it to improve over time in executing real-world tasks. Unlike DeepSeek, which generates text passively, Manus actively completes workflows, for instance, reading a document, summarizing it, and sending an email based on its content. Because of these differences, DeepSeek generalizes well across topics, while Manus specializes in process execution. Understanding their training methodologies helps determine which model to use based on business needs. DeepSeek is primarily used for text generation, summarization, and research assistance. Its large dataset and efficient MOE structure make it a strong alternative to existing models like ChatGPT and Claude for corporate AI applications in content marketing, legal documentation, and academic research. Manus, in contrast, is task-oriented. Instead of passively generating responses, it automates entire workflows. For example, in a financial setting, Manus could analyze market trends, generate reports, and send automated alerts, minimizing human intervention. Adoption trends suggest that businesses looking for scalable AI content generation prefer DeepSeek, while companies focused on workflow automation find Manus more useful. These distinctions make it essential to align AI choices with business objectives. Both DeepSeek and Manus introduce ethical challenges. DeepSeek, like all LLMs, can inadvertently reinforce biases present in training data. Efforts to ensure fair and unbiased outputs require continuous dataset refinement and filtering strategies. Manus presents an additional challenge: AI autonomy. Since it makes independent decisions in multi-step workflows, human oversight becomes crucial to avoid unintended consequences. Over-reliance on autonomous AI agents without safeguards could lead to compliance risks, misinformation, or flawed decision-making. Transparency is another key issue. AI models must provide explanations for their outputs, ensuring that users understand how decisions are made. As AI adoption grows, establishing ethical AI governance frameworks will be critical for both models. AI is advancing rapidly, and both DeepSeek and Manus will continue to evolve. DeepSeek is likely to expand its MOE approach with larger datasets, better context awareness, and more efficient inference techniques. The trend suggests more specialized expert networks for domain-specific AI solutions. Manus, being an AI agent, will likely see improvements in autonomous reasoning, memory persistence, and proactive decision-making. Future updates may enhance its long-term task planning capabilities, making it even more independent in handling business automation. These models will also integrate with other AI technologies, such as speech recognition, multimodal processing, and real-time learning mechanisms. Their long-term impact on industries like finance, healthcare, and legal automation could be profound. In summary, DeepSeek excels in text-based AI tasks, while Manus is a powerful, autonomous agent for executing workflows. Each model has unique strengths, and the choice between them depends on business needs and computational constraints. The AI industry is evolving rapidly. Understanding these technologies will help businesses and developers make informed decisions.